This is the elevator at 1 Belton Boulevard. Medical building in St. Catharines, Ontario. We have a Concord, or a Savaria actually. Here it is. Oh, this is pretty cool. Too. This door is a side door. Not bad so far. Let's see what side it's going to open on. I assume this side. One. What do you think of this elevator?
I like it a lot. It reminds me of the one down by the Skylon.
And also the one at Seaway Mall.
Yeah. Nice fixtures.
They look like Otis. I don't know when this one is installed. There's no license in there.
No.
Maybe this is brand new. But I have no clue. This is very unique here. They have a side door and a front door. There's a ceiling up there. Cool. You're gonna actually in the pharmacy?
No.
Okay. That's it.